हाय एवरीवन, आज के इस लेसन में हम सीखने वाले हैं 40 एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस। सबसे पहले ये समझते हैं कि कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस किसे कहते हैं। दो सेंटेंसेस जिन्हें एक कंजक्शन का वर्ड आपस में कंबाइन कर रहा हो वो कहलाते हैं कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस। फॉर एग्जांपल, शी हैज़ अ डॉग बट शी वांट्स अ कैट। ये जो सेंटेंस है ये कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस है क्योंकि इनको आपस में एक कंजक्शन का वर्ड जोड़ रहा है जो है बट शी वांट्स अ कैट। तो इसी तरह के आज हम एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे और सीखेंगे, तो वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा ताकि आप ये एग्जांपल्स सीख कर इन्हें अपनी डेली लाइफ में यूज़ कर सकें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपना आज का लेसन। 40 एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस। In spite of learning all the lessons, I'm still not good in taking decisions. I earned $1 million but not satisfied with it. She was in the dangerous way when her car ran out of gas. She was in the dangerous way when her car ran out of gas. I was in official meeting when she asked me to bring baby diapers. In spite of the fog, they are insisting to go there. My friend's job is very easy, but he is not satisfied. She divorced her because he was addicted to drugs. She will send you all the money because I have transferred to her account. You can taste this recipe because I like this. Ali wants to attend this meeting, but her family issues restrained him. He has to work hard because he has to feed his 4 children. Muslims believe that there is no God except one. Muslims believe that there is no God except one. She is very selfish, although her husband is very sincere to her. Don't try to go there until I allow you to go there. He didn't want to go to the dentist, though he is very sick. He is new to this field, so don't try to tease him. He is new to this field, so don't try to tease him. He is proficient in English but can't understand French. I can join National Army, but my father asked me to join his company. I will go abroad in order to earn money. Neha worked hard, so she got this proposal. तो दोस्तों, ये था आज का हमारा लेसन। उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी और आपने इससे कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर सीखा होगा। तो हम मिलेंगे अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।